Meaning of gasp.
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 Gasp. The verb gasp means to inhale a sudden, sharp and audible breath due to shock or pain. It can also be due to a lack of air or as a reaction to something unexpected. The sound made during this process is typically loud and can suggest surprise or even distress. The word gasp can also be used as a noun to describe the act of inhaling in such a manner. Overall, gasp is a term used to describe the sudden and often involuntary intake of breath due to various stimuli, ranging from fear to surprise.